Hey guys, so I reassembled my pull-up stations here in my new room. I'll make this time lapse really quick because I messed up with the camera view. And so after reassembling it, I tried doing some pull-ups again. So it has been 3 weeks since my last pull-up workout, and as expected, the reps I can do have decreased. I also tried doing some chin-ups. Since I didn't do a full set of pull-ups, I can do more chin-ups this time. And oh, I also bought this new resistance band. So I tried doing an assisted pull-ups with it. I tried to control my movement the way up, as this band has 40 to 80 pounds of resistance. Doing a little hold on the top and slowly going down. With it, I'm able to do a few more pull-ups, but it is still tiring my back. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please do hit that like button and leave a comment.